4 free ways for you to promote your YouTube videos. Number 1 is going to be using your Instagram stories. Now, I'll be honest with you, I don't typically use my Instagram as much as I used to. However, when I release a new video, I make sure I do this. For this, you want to go onto your Instagram story, find your YouTube thumbnail, add it to your story, and then set up a keyboard shortcut with relevant hashtags for you to put on your story. This is going to get new eyeballs onto your thumbnail and ultimately to your YouTube video. As content creators, our schedule should be our priority. So on an ideal week, my video is scheduled out well in advance. So for the days upcoming to that video, I can work on promoting the video outside of YouTube as well. Number 2 is going to be utilizing TikTok. I said it from the start that TikTok was going to take over Instagram and people was going to be spending a lot more time on there than Instagram. You literally don't know if a video will go viral on TikTok at the moment, and the proof is in the pudding with one of the videos that I uploaded, and it got like 750,000 views in 2 days, which to me is insane. One thing I'm going to be doing, and what I would suggest you guys doing, is making a TikTok for every single YouTube video you upload and telling your TikTok audience to go and watch the full video on YouTube. Number 3 is going to be cross-promoting your YouTube videos. Oh, by the way, if you want to see me unboxing this new microphone I've got, check out this video here.
Did you see what I did there?
This is why series work so well on YouTube. So if you put your videos into a playlist, and if you make dedicated videos about one topic, do it almost like a Netflix show. You know, when you're watching Netflix and it goes continue watching and you're like, yes mate, I'm still here. Do that with your videos. Think about a video series that you can put into a playlist and someone is going to binge watch that content. This is going to result in more watch time, subscribers and likes. And if you haven't liked the video already, well, get liking it. Number 4 is going to be using your emails. I know this may sound a little bit silly if you've watched videos like this in the past, but please do not disregard emails and cold emails. You can be reaching out to creators every single day. There are literally thousands, if not millions of channels on YouTube that might want to collaborate with you. Make the effort to reach out to these people. And if you're putting out good content every single week or every single day, then these people over time will see that and want to collaborate with you. If you're making videos about a certain niche, then do your research. It doesn't even have to be other creators. There might be news articles, blog posts, everything like that. They are people that literally get paid to talk about the topics you are talking about on YouTube for free. So reach out to them, tell them that you're making content about that. See if you can make a video for their blog post, and that is going to be leveraging other people's audiences.